Hey everyone, it's Sunday the 26th. I'm back out here for my second day. Just worked about 2 or 3 hours yesterday. About an hour walk getting back and forth to the field here. So helping the workers. This is RJ's and Mui's cornfield they plant. So I'm just helping the workers trying to experience Philippine life here. So this is the cornfield. Everything's hand done. Hand planted, hand harvested. Here's my hands this morning. You can see they're red. I'm really working. I probably did 4 bags of corn here. So these are the bags they put them in. And the guys on motorcycles will come back and pick them up and tie. I think 4 bags, at least 2 to 4 bags. They're pretty heavy. I don't know how much they weigh. I would say 50 to 80 pounds. Probably a good guesstimate. 40 to 60 would be a good guesstimate. So they tie 4 of them on their bikes and ride them back down the mountain on these dirt trails and little, they're dirt trails for all intents and purposes, but need some bags there on the hillside, so they bag them up, and all the corn that's kind of turned over here is already done. They did that yesterday and this morning. Then the one standing here on the right, but just hundreds of acres of corn out here on the hillsides. They just plant it anywhere and everywhere, and everybody owns different corn sections, so they come on it. They've been planted at different times. So I'm gonna call it a quit for today. My hands are sore anymore, and I won't be able to touch anything. So you can see all the bags. They did most of this yesterday. Some of them get out here at 6 in the morning, and they generally quit 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. And they take breaks under whatever tree they may get. Hey, this is a tree here, so everybody tends to gather under that wherever they're working here. So, and there's some trees over through there, so if they were working over there, they'd be sitting there. So, but I got my 4 bags done, a couple yesterday, a couple today approximately. So just wanted to sample it and help out and try working like a Filipino. So it's beautiful on this side. It's not gotten too warm. I think it's about 9 o'clock still. I got out here around 7. So there's the little harbor out to the ocean, and islands and boats, and just everything Philippines. So corn seems to be one of their top crops. That, obviously rice and sugar cane. So corn's really come on the last 5-10 years. So I'm getting a sample of farming and harvesting corn and what efforts it takes. So very difficult, very tedious. So it's amazing what they do and stuff. All them sacks are filled with corn, and our motorcycle will come by and tie them onto their bike and have 2 to 4 bags on each bike. And then down there in the valley, them green buildings down there is the main road. They're carrying down this mountain to that main road down there by the ocean, and they're shell it and dry it and then take it to the market. Then they're drive to whatever the nearest market is. So that's the process. So let me say goodbye to some people here, but there you go. Hi.
Hi.
What's your guys' names?
My name, ang pangalan mo?
Okay.
My name is Boy Boy.
Okay, boy.
Charlene.
Okay, Charlie, I remember you.
My name.
All right, well, I'm going to put you on YouTube tonight or tomorrow so you can watch yourself. All right. My hands are sore from the work. All right. The kids all come with their parents and help out. They do a little bit of corn and play around the tree and stuff. Hi, what's your name?
Hi.
Hi. Hi over there. Where? I see. Yeah. All right. Hey. Okay. Hi. Hi. They're all saying hi. All right, I may say goodbye to somebody. There's somebody hiding in the grass there. So. All right, we'll see ya. So just, yeah, it's beautiful. There should be somebody down here. I'll look over the edge for you. Won't make it too long. But it continues down over the edge here. A little further than I thought. So there's a worker over there. One of the ladies speaks English. She lives up behind us. So yeah, this whole hillside will be harvested. So there's some working over here. So it's a beautiful sight, but it gets definitely warm because the sun hits that all day long. So you can hear them crunching the corn. There's probably, I'd say maybe 15 to 24 people up here working. Here's a big stack from yesterday. This is the main trail here where they're hauling them out. So we're zoom back and out so you can see. Yeah, my hands are sore, pardon me. Hard to hold the camera. We're going to top the hill here. And then all over the field here, there's a miscellaneous size rocks. So they try to pile them up. They can be a few inches big to these here are about 3 feet around. So there's this whole island's made of them. Here's a real big one there. So, but they just plow it by ox once a year, twice a year. And then they plant twice a year. So they might plow it in the spring and plant, and then get a double planting. But they don't plow it more than twice. So I helped these guys yesterday. Hey, they're hard workers. They really work very quickly. So yeah. As you go in the island, the hills just get bigger and bigger. You can see over there across the valley, that whole hillside's planted with corn. So it's just amazing. They got corn growing here in between the coconut trees there. Just to become a major, appears to be a major crop to me here in the Philippines nowadays. So, and then they've got this whole hillside over here yet to do. So I think they're going to be out here another couple days, Monday and Tuesday. It's hard to say. At least 2 more days, I would say, maybe up to 4. So they had an American worker like me, it'd take 3 months. My hands are sore, but I imagine I get used to it. I'm not terribly slow at it, but yeah, they got all this field. This corn's about 6 feet high, all the way over there. That other cornfield that's still green. They got to harvest this whole hillside yet. Finish up a little bit down in here. Most of this is done. As this been over and sat. They pile it in things, and each person has a pile or a little area, and that's how they know how much they've done. So they get paid by the kilo. Or I don't know if that equates into a sack as so many kilos or whatever. But yeah, I'll show you this little stick here if I can hold the camera. So trying to get it here. Let's see, get it to flip around. But here, this is a little piece of bamboo. You tie it on your wrist and you sharpen it, And you stick that in the, I won't do it too good, but you stick that in the silk there and you slice up, and that will help you peel it. So that's how you do it each year. So hundreds and thousands of years, each person will peel the corn back with some sort of sharp device like that that's made of bamboo. The one I'm wearing, the kids, I borrowed it from the kids. He said, don't lose it, Uncle. So, but I think they were all fascinated to see me out here working because it's hard work. So I guess it's surprised them, and so rightfully so. But I wanted to experience the culture and different aspects, not just run around and show you all the resorts and beautiful water. Here's a little staging area up here. So they have a little, you can probably get out of the weather a little bit if it started raining, and stack their corn, and rest and have some lunch. But you can see back through there how big the field is here. So lots to do. So everything brown in here all the way back over the edge of the hillside is got to be harvested. And then you can see the piles of yellow. That's the corn, and somebody will bring a sack over and start sacking it up here before evening, and then the guys will come on their motorbikes and ride on this trail, which is quite amazing. It's relatively steep in spots and rocky and rutty. It's really a mess when it's wet. And a lot of these guys, essentially everybody's riding street bikes, older street bikes. It looks like they're from the 70s and 80s. And they maybe have a couple inches, 2 or 3 inches of suspension, and low to the ground. And that's kind of their main mode of transportation, and working on all these. They use them as horses, essentially. Ride them to work, ride them for fun, carry 2, 3, 4, 5 people on them. I'm looking to get something there in the future, so as soon as I can find something that suits me, because I'm extremely tall. Most people over here is 5 foot to 5'6", and I'm 6'4". So, well, we're going to leave you on that note, and thanks everybody for watching and hanging in there. I hope you enjoy everything. And yeah, I've really worked my finger. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's going to capture. But yeah, they're red and kind of, I don't think the camera wants to zoom anywhere, but yeah, my hands are sore. It's only about 9:30, and I'm kaput for the day, and they're going to go another 6 hours or more. So my hat's off to them. Hard-working people and friendly. They all offer me a share of their rice or water or anything snack they've brought. They all were offering me food, and I brought some, big thing of water. I generally tank up before I come and when I get home. So I got about a 20-30 minute walk back home, back down the hill. So, but I enjoy it. It's pretty out here. So, all right. Thanks everybody. I'll let you go. Thank you.